Hi there. My name is Ashley Jenkins, and I am an events manager here at Miro. I also lead our Black Excellence ERG. I'm joined by my colleague Grace. Grace, feel free to introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Grace. I am the Global Procurement Manager here at Mira and also the Somos, our Latinx ERG co-lead here.
We are super excited today to invite you all to join us at Distributed 2022, our annual community conference. It's taking place on November 15th and 16th, online, completely and absolutely free. So if you haven't already registered, visit mirodistributed.com and we hope to see you soon. So what are we doing here today? We are giving you a sneak peek preview to our session. Our session is on the topic of fostering engagement with your ERGs. As you guys know, the last 2 years have been pretty impactful for employees, but also for ERGs. If you work at a hybrid or remote company, more than likely your ERG is distributed. And so how do you stay connected with that community given the certain situation of your company? So happy to take you through a couple of real life examples of things that our ERGs have done here at Miro, and let's get started. So here is a quick and fun icebreaker I did with our ERG. We utilized the dot voting feature in Miro for people to drop their dot on how they were feeling. Pretty easy to do. You can just pick up a dot and place it right on the art that really resonates with you. So I found this artist on Instagram. He's a Black artist and super relatable. Love bringing in meme culture. And that's what we did for that quick ice. If we keep going, here's also another icebreaker that we did. This is a Black-owned game called One Gotta Go. So shout out to that company. One Gotta Go, this is the digital version of their game. I built out this board and added sticky notes and then turned on the voting feature, and we all voted on which item had to go. So you guys let us know in the comments if there's comments on this video, what has to go? Grilled cheese, peanut butter and jelly, tuna sandwich, or roast beef? I'd like to know, so let me know.
And Ashley, I gotta say that one was a great one. I remember the Michael Jackson song one being a very interesting question. A lot of people had a lot of feelings about what song had
All
to
right,
go.
that's it for me. I'm going to toss it over to Grace, who is going to walk you through some of her examples. I'll go ahead and follow you on the board, Grace, and feel free to take it away.
Yeah, awesome. So speaking of icebreakers, a really great icebreaker that a lot of people had a lot of fun with is using the Miro boards to kind of like a coloring book. So basically what we did here is we grabbed a bunch of images of like really prominent Latinx Hispanic folk here. And then right to the other side of it, we had people just coloring it in. Obviously, we had to have number one Bad Bunny, if you know me at all. Number one Bad Bunny fan right here. So people took the time to color in those images. I think a lot of the time it takes a lot of time, but people really feel like they want to talk about what they've just spent this time creating this artwork. So this was a great icebreaker. Community important to you? Questions like that. And we also built out our boards for that month on Miro. As you can see here, it's just kind of a quick wrap up of the reflection of Heritage Month. We had a really great speaker series with two amazing women, Trisha and Tammy, who came in to talk about bringing your full authentic self to work. And what does that mean? We had a great conversation on allyship with Mike Knox. We did some cooking classes, as you can see. We did a salsa dancing class. This was just a short snippet of what we've done. So we placed it here on the board for you guys at Distributed to be able to kind of get a sneak peek of what you can do, how to keep people connected. Created a career development board. So if you're someone who's trying to figure out how to elevate your career, how to have conversations with your manager, we created this board basically as a compass to talk like, where do you start? How do you set yourself up for success?
Awesome. Well, guys, we have to keep this brief because we'd love to have you join us live on November 15th for our session. So again, be sure to register and we hope to see you all soon. That is it. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. See you there.